Welcome to another tutorial for Workshop Software. Today we'll be talking about the supplier workflow. The supplier workflow goes from an order to an invoice and to a payment. Even if you don't process the order through Workshop Software, you can record that you've made an order using this feature, or if you already received the products, go straight to a supplier invoice. An order can be created standalone by selecting this option, or directly from a job by opening a job in your transaction center. Let's start by taking a look at that. So by opening my job and adding in products, I can then tell my system that I'd like to place an order by simply pressing the star icon and then create order. Now, if it's come through from an integrated supplier, it will have that supplier's name here. You can also manually add the supplier for products that you create in the products page when creating the product. If you'd like to, instead of adding your own products, import the product from an integrated supplier, make sure you're integrated here. And you can find out more on how to integrate with an automotive integration in our help guides and resources. Now, if I go into this example of an integrated supplier, it'll open up a version of their web page. It automatically took my registration. However, you can make changes if you need to. You can simply add products. However, each supplier's integration will look a little bit different, but they'll all work in the same way. By adding products and by returning them to Workshop Software. This does not place an order for any of the suppliers. This simply copies them into our system with the product code, description, price, and cost. Some of them may also import extra information, such as the brand. Now, to go back to our Create Order option, I can now see where they're going to be coming from and how many I'm going to be ordering, or I can click to edit. You can even delete products you don't wish to order. Now let's press Confirm. You'll now have an attached order section on your job, where you can see the status of orders connected to this job. You can see there's one here that's been received already. Now you can see that these are the same order number, and we can press View to open the suggested order. Now you can see here that the two products are automatically added to the order, the supplier is added, and there's a number for the order. Now to share this with any supplier, simply press Share and Email to send them a document that looks like this. Now, if it's an integrated supplier, you can press the star and send the order directly to their system. Either way, whenever you're done, press Process. And keep in mind, the costs and the quantity are not added into our system until the invoice is processed. So the cost for this product will not be updated, nor the quantity increased until I receive this order. Let's press Process. Now that's how we place an order from a job in the transaction center. If you wanted to create a standalone order, simply press Supplier Stock Order. Type in the name of the supplier and start to add in your products. You'll notice products added with an integration have an icon to let you know this product can be ordered by pressing the star and Send Order. Products without that icon have been manually added into your system, and we recommend instead to send an email for that order, as this product is not linked with their infrastructure. If you'd like to attach this to a job, simply save the page, press the star icon, and select Attach to Invoice. Select the products you'd like to link, and press the tick. Now you can select the job that's currently open in your transaction center to add this product and link it to. Now when you're ready, just like before, hit Process. Now once you've received those products, head over to Supplier Invoice. The supplier invoice and supplier payments are linked to your accounting software as soon as you press Process, just like customer invoices and customer payments. Customer bookings and supplier orders are not linked to your accounting integration. Pop in the name of the supplier, and if you've placed the order from Workshop software, press the star, and we'll be able to pre-fill your whole invoice for you by simply selecting the order that you made. You can now update your costs and quantity received so that we can update your products list. You can even press this $sign to quickly change the price that you're going to be charging for this product or add a markup. You can pop in an invoice number and your payment terms, and you're ready to press Process to send this to your accounting software and add these products into your product list and inventory. Now, if you're processing an invoice that was not preceded by an order, that's okay. You can simply go to the supplier invoice page, type in the name of the supplier, and add in your products manually. You'll still need to add in an invoice number and payment terms, add your costs and quantity received, and if I save the page, I also get the ability to still link it to a job with the star icon and attach to invoice. Simply select the items you'd like to link, press the tick, and select the job you'd like to add it to. And just like before, we can press Process. So now we've seen how to place an order standalone or from a job in the transaction center. We've then seen how to create a supplier invoice from an order by pressing the star and adding products from an order, or by creating a standalone supplier invoice. The last step is to mark it as paid once you've made that payment. Similarly to the customer payment screen, when you type in the name of the contact, you'll be able to press the magnifying glass to see all unpaid invoices. You can select specific ones, or you can use the All button if you wanted to select all of them. Press Select, and then process that you've paid them. And this would also update in your accounting software that they have been paid. Now that's the full supplier workflow. I hope that helped, and watch the other onboarding videos for more tutorials.